Hello friends, Julie Janasi here. Well, today I am teaching you how to turn a simple Mary Kay hand cream into something wonderful and fabulous for the holiday season to gift and give to a friend or family member. So check out this video and learn how to do it yourself, or just message me and I'll do it for you. So enjoy this video. Okay, so you're going to start with your paper just like this, print it out, and then you're going to cut it right underneath the line so you don't have lines on your sheet. So you can see it's going to end up like this. Then you're going to want to trim the edges just a little bit so you don't have so much paper overlapping itself. So about 1 inch or 1.5 inches is good. You'll take your product and then you're going to position the snowman right where you want him to be, and then you just wrap it right around like this, and I like to make sure that the paper is lined up with each other, so it's kind of make sure that it's even. And then you're just going to take some tape and tape it to itself. That way you can slide this out in case that's the wrong formula, the wrong color, and then you can move it up and down and see which color it actually is. So you have your snowman set up, and now we're going to make some socks into a hat. So you're going to take 2 socks, they're turned the right way, and then we are going to put the one inside the other. So I just try to scrunch up one as far as I can. I'm going to take the feet part here, grab it up there, and then just pull it down. So the goal is that you have the 2 socks layered inside each other, and then you are going to go from both sides. You see how I have both there, and cuff it maybe about 2 inches or a little bit more, and then cuff it again. And you can tell the heel was over here. I like to keep that towards the back, and then I keep the front part here, and then you just are going to put it onto your snowman. You just expand it a little bit and then put it onto your guy. There we go. And then with the top part, we're going to add a little ribbon right here to make his hat look even cuter. And you can adjust the cuff of your sock if you feel like you want him to have a little bit more or less hat there. We'll just scrunch that up and tie it in a bow. There we go. And voila, there is our cute little snowman guy. Well, there you have it. Gifting made easy. You can message me or go on my website and see more fun gift ideas for Mary Kay, or contact your beauty consultant. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.